Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video is I'm wearing red, symbolizes as luck, and I'm also wearing my lucky bracelet. For today's video is gagawa tayo ng prosperity bowl for 2024. Happy New Year everyone. First guys, you need to prepare 1 kilo of rice. So ito yung nabili ko kanina. And then ilalagay natin siya dito sa red bowl ko. Kasi red symbolizes as luck guys. So ilalagay natin to. And rice symbolizes as wealth, success, fertility, and good health. Nakasanayan ko na tong ginagawa every New Year kasi nagkaroon ako ng jowang Chinese before and ito talaga yung pangpaswerte sa akin every year. Next is prepare tayo ng raw eggs, 12 pieces. It symbolizes the 12 months of the year. So ilalagay natin to, ipapalibot natin sa prosperity bowl natin yung 12 pieces of eggs. The prosperity bowl for 2024 is a symbolic of positive tradition to ushers in the new year with hopes for abundance and success. Next is prepare tayo ng 12 pieces of paper money, any amount guys, pero sa akin 1,000 bills yung ginagamit ko talaga every year kasi ito yung pinakamalaking paper bills natin dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya isagad na lang natin. Tapos lalagyan natin ng 12 pieces of cotton for the entry of luck. The 12 pieces of paper money symbolizes fortunes, success, and prosperity. Ilalagay natin yung cotton balls inside the paper money and lalagyan din natin ng red ribbon guys. 12 pieces of red ribbon guys. Red is the one of the colors believed attract money in 2024. So gagawin ko muna to lahat, itong 12 pieces of paper money with cotton inside and then with red ribbon para iikot natin dito sa prosperity bowl ko. As an individuals prepare and consume the prosperity bowl, it serves as a ritual to set intentions for the coming year, fostering a mindset of optimism, gratitude, and anticipation for the prosperity and good fortune ahead. So iikot natin to lahat dito sa prosperity bowl, yung 12 pieces of paper money na 1,000 bills na may cotton inside and with red ribbons. So, iikot natin to siya guys. Success and good fortune for 2024. May every ingredients in this bowl contribute for a year filled with prosperity, joy, and remarkable achievements. Next is i-prepare natin ng 12 pieces of coins. Actually, nilagay ko muna to sa vinegar tsaka hinugasan ko. Yung iba yung ginagamit nila yung 20 pesos na bagong coins dito. Pero ang hirap makahanap ng ganun guys. Kaya 12 pieces of 5 pesos coins na lang yung prepare ko. Kasi gold din naman yung color ng 5 pesos coin natin eh. The 12 pieces of coin symbolizes wealth and abundance. So iikot natin to sa prosperity bowl kasama tong mga itlog na to. And I hope and I pray na sana maraming success and fortune next year. Next is prepare tayo ng chocolate gold coins, 12 pieces for a sweeter reunion with family, friends, or co-workers, good fortune, and prosperity. Buti na lang yung mga pamangking kong bata, mayroon silang mga gold coins na chocolate guys, kaya naghingi na lang ako ng 12 pieces para ilagay ko dito sa prosperity bowl ko. Ito talagang kinakabisihan ko every pagpasok ng New Year guys, kaya nagva-vlog ako nito. 3 consecutive years ko nang ginagawa ito sa vlogging ko. Next is prepare tayo ng bay leaves, 8 pieces lang siya. Symbolizes manifestation and prosperity. 8 pieces means infinity, the flow of luck is endless. So iikot natin tong 8 pieces of bay leaves or laurel dito sa prosperity bowl natin. Mas upgraded yung prosperity bowl ko ngayon guys kasi may laurel siya, tsaka cotton at tsaka yung gold coins. Next is prepare tayo ng 1 orange guys. Isa lang. This is closely resembles the words for the luck and wealth. Round shape signifies money. Isa pang tip guys na ginagawa ko every New Year is nagpe-prepare ako ng 12 pieces of paper money inside my wallet or my pocket para at least hindi tayo maubusan ng pera for the New Year. Tapos lalagay din tayo ng 1,000 bill dito sa ampao or Chinese red envelope. It symbolizes as wealth, abundance, luck, and success. So ready na yung prosperity bowl ko guys. Ilalagay din natin to sa altar ko. And then, i-stay natin dito sa altar ko for 1 to 2 days after New Year's Eve. Pwede mo din gamitin yung mga pera na nandito at saka yung coins pang kapital sa negosyo mo for the new year. As I stand at the threshold of 2024, I wish for a year filled with growth, resilience, and boundless joy. May each day brings opportunities for self-discovery and achievement. Happy New Year everyone! Let's make 2024 a year of purpose, prosperity, and endless possibilities. Love you guys. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.